Darın darın dan, darın darın dan, darın darın dan, darın darın dan, darın darın. And then, wow, 100 players this time. How could it be, man? This is not solos? What is happening? Oh, this is duos. What the heck? That's not normal. That's not normal.
Alright, get ready to jump. Hostiles are dropping into the target area and need to be stopped. I'll point, you hustle. Smoke check everyone down there.
Hello. I thought I was playing solo. Why it's duo?
Alright, you're good to go for deployment. Post up.
Is my teammate with me? Yeah, he's... Go, go, go! Oh, this is a hot zone. Nice.
Area marked. Need supplies ASAP.
Roger, on the way.
Personal defense weapon marked.
Mission's updated. Review them when you can.
Suppressor. This is good. Nice, man. Nice one. Do you have a SMG?
Enemy landing near you. Make them
There's
pay.
a dangerous spot here.
Goodbye.
I don't like it.
Goodbye.
Enemy contacting my AO.
Hostile shooter jumping into your area. Heads up.
They were so brave, huh?
Mission details.
I was asking you if you need this cup.
Marking a gunsmith kit. Looks suspicious. Watch yourself.
Here's some ammo for you.
Got a new
There's a
mission ready.
gadget at this location.
Danger point. Head on us, people.
Gadget up for grabs.
Good job, buddy.
We got an enemy.
You have a hostile jumping onto your position.
Stop it, man.
Contact. Hostile sighted.
Broke him.
He's a done.
Ordnance inbound. Get clear.
I got enemy in sight. Run with the location.
New mission available.
We gotta be careful from backside.
Need support. Under fire. Reposition. Move now.
Target enemy comms in the area. Pick up some explosives.
Let's do this mission. Maybe we will get a loadout.
That's a major score.
Easy mark
Way to
if you
go.
need one.
You should have visibility on the Inferno. Adjust course and stay clear. Good work. Now stay alert for incoming hostiles.
I'll kill you if you come.
There's a gadget at this location.
Close. It's close.
You are mission complete.
Good job.
Good work. Sending your kids to your loadout.
RV on that position.
Why do you look so red?
Vehicle kicker spotted.
Should we go for it? I want to go for the care package. For the
Custom weapon crate.
yeah, let's go.
Danger danger area. Use caution.
Hello.
Hello, Jetly. We have the Battle Royale duo game mode. We have the game mode
You
duo.
mean new mode now?
No, Battle Royale, it was solo, you know, and squad. Now it is duo.
Oh, I see.
The duo mode also came.
Got a new
I got
mission
it.
for you. Details on your map.
I get it.
You are so
So
smart.
basically, two duos to make a quad now, huh?
Now we're done.
Exactly.
This is for keeps.
Enemy vehicle sighted.
Matt. No. I'm the dumbest one online of all time. Did you forget?
Man, why don't you speak? I didn't know you were fighting. What an idiot.
Contact. Sniper.
Is this better or? He's very low. Nice. Oh no. No. Oh no. So there is no free deployment? What the heck? I died once. I died only one time. Why there is no free redeploying? I'm confused. Thank you, buddy.
All right.
Jetty,
square
did my
yourself away.
microphone
Ready
sound
back in.
change or is it the same? Do you
Sounds
notice
the same
any
to me.
difference? Really? Okay.
Your mission is up. Marked on your map.
Maybe a little bit higher pitch.
I did something. I did something and changed something, you know? Which sniper is better, man? M2010. Which sniper is better, man? This one?
I'm seeing a free sniper rifle here.
Really? Or this one? Alright, thank you. This guy is funny. This guy is funny, man.
Can you get supply drop over here?
This guy is funny.
Roger that. Stand by.
Why did you canceling my...
Got a new mission ready.
I saw someone here before. Two guys landed here.
Got a dangerous spot here.
Okay, we got a tank now.
Get a rocket on it!
We got a tank. Nice. Let's see if they are still here. If they are, let's send them their lobby.
Got a new mission for you. Details on your map.
Vehicle trailer!
They are gone. Jetly, I'm streaming by the way, if you want to see while waiting. Have you seen someone? I don't see your ping, man.
Contact! Enemy infantry!
What? Whose idea was to get tank?
It's over. Regroup for the next stop.
Man, who killed us? I have no idea how he died. Crazy. We just died instantly. Oh, they replaced solos to duos, cabrones. I thought they would bring duos along with duos, but no, they took off duo. Sorry, solo, and they brought duo. Okay, Jet, are you here?
Yep.
I'll be back 1 second.
Okay, you have unknown shooters moving on the target area. Make sure you drop them off. Get ready to jump. Go for deployment. Give them hell.
Oh no, how fast it started.
Huh?
Is it you, Jumpmaster?
I don't know.
Yeah, it's you. Don't you know, Jetly? It's you who's taking us here and you don't know. Gonna kill you, Jumpmaster. Jetty, come get this. This is so good.
What?
Bazooka. If there's a,
Secondary?
Your mission should be available.
no, I'm this thing,
Launcher spotted.
launcher. And don't forget to charge your armor. I don't know what was the button.
I don't have enough armor yet.
You have.
Overwatch requested on my
No, not yet.
What do you know?
I read you. Here it comes.
It says no armor yet.
Ah.
Someone near me.
Really? Where are you?
They're over here somewhere.
Here?
Reposition. Move now.
Over here somewhere.
I don't see your ping. Oh, okay. I see.
I heard his footsteps.
No, there's nobody here. I have scanned. Now it's scanning. You see? They are.
Heads up. Check your map for new mission details.
No, I heard footsteps earlier.
Yeah, but I don't see anyone because I scanned.
Target enemy comms in the area.
Let's go for the
Maybe a
mission.
jammer.
Shut it down.
I don't know.
Nah. Maybe they have gone. It probably was here
That area doesn't
and
look
they
good.
went away.
You were behind me and I heard your footsteps in front of me. Son. Yep, see? To my left. Oh, fudge. I told you,
That's so weird, man.
Mr. Funny,
How is that
Mr.
possible?
Funny guy.
But why it doesn't
I
show?
told you, I heard them.
I
They have
scanned
jammer
them.
or something. They have
What the
jammer or
heck?
something.
Look at this
There's a
smoke.
gadget at this
Yeah.
location.
That's so weird, man.
Not weird, just common sense.
I
A
mean,
little bit.
no,
I
but
heard
listen
them.
to me. Listen to me. I understand, but maybe you heard it, but they left, and the scan doesn't cover everywhere. So I thought they left.
Hmm.
Maybe when you crouch, maybe the scan doesn't pick you. I don't know.
Yeah, if you don't move, maybe.
I got you, man. When the fuck you gonna heal? Huh? When you gonna heal? How's your body
I
shield?
don't have shield.
You have, mother. You have.
No.
Look,
Now I do. Thank you.
but you gotta pick them from dead bodies. They may come. They may come. Get ready.
Wait.
I mean,
Request
this
SMG
sound
over
brings
my
people. You know.
position.
Get away! Get away! Get away! Get away! Get away! It's gonna explode.
Stand by. Major damage and left the enemy scrambling.
Motherfucker.
Excellent work.
I thought you meant people coming.
Yeah, I see them. In the map. In the mini map. On the mini map. Open gate. Come. Come get your stuff. Look. This is scan, okay?
Here.
Italy. I'm gonna scan first, okay?
Request
And
overwatch.
this is
Grid as
a
indicated.
this is airstrike, okay? This is airstrike. Take it.
Stand by.
This blue purple thing. It's airstrike. You mark somewhere and send it. They are going to this side. Let's go.
I don't like the look of this.
You see the map? Open the map. You will see people getting scanned. You see? There is one here,
Contact. Enemy infantry.
right there, the house.
Oh, the white mark.
Yeah, it's my mark, but I marked because I saw people's when this sound comes like beep, it scans the enemy. I see. Yeah, in front of us. Take cover, take cover, take cover. There's one more. Push this guy, push this guy.
I'm healing. There we go. Loading.
What is that?
Where? Now you're dead.
What that or? No, you finished him. Okay.
One. Below us.
Come on, one
Here.
second.
Get to that RV point. Move.
On me.
Got a new
On
mission
me.
for you. Details on your map.
Should be low. Got him.
Die, man, die! I suck.
Yeah, I shot him a lot too.
Round. Get clear.
He was keep running.
Hang in there. That's it. Stay with me.
Wake up, man.
Let's go.
Another one to the left, maybe.
Oh, he's right here.
Got a heat spike
Somebody
in
wants
your
to use
area.
this
Looks like the
CDW.
enemy's starting up a Vic.
This blue gun sucks.
You can upgrade, you know, your weapons.
You've got the intel.
Nah.
Do you know how it works?
Purple, orange, blue.
Yeah, but even you have purple armor, you can turn to purple.
Okay.
Heads up. You got a new mission incoming. Check your briefing.
Tank. Don't show it. Don't show yourself. So dangerous.
What do you mean? I have a rocket launcher.
Yeah, but if they see you, they kill you. I mean, it's normally killing you fast. You will have no time to react. Jetly, come. I'm going to explain you. Come. I'm going to explain you something. So, you see
Someone's
this?
near me.
Forget. Come to me. Okay, we got scanned. We got scanned. So come. Whenever you open boxes, okay, you pick this stuff, okay, and they have classes. So this is SMG and this is sniper, okay. So whenever you have enough numbers of this on your backpack, when you open your tab, your weapon will say like there is gonna be an icon moving upside, like saying upgrade your weapon. If you press the button which says upgrade, press the button, it will use this stuff to upgrade your weapon, and you will select whatever you want. Select.
Here you come. Bitch.
You know, it worked, Jet. It worked. We were speaking. What the heck? Did you understand what I mean?
Yeah, I understand.
So, for example,
Another
I'm gonna
person.
pick this weapon, okay? I'm gonna pick this green weapon, okay? And I will see if this guy has the upgrade things. He doesn't have. So, if I have it, it will say upgrade the weapon.
Mission for you. Details on
But
your map.
unfortunately, there is no. So, whenever you have a LMG, for example, if you open a box where there is a LMG weapon, most probably it will drop you a LMG upgrade. Pick it and then upgrade your weapon. And do you have this air strike thing? This thing? Do you have it? No, the thing that you have picked from the ground whenever you finish the mission. Yeah, that one. So if you look around, you will see people highlighted. Easy to detect people. You know?
Thermal.
Yeah. You will see people easily. I usually use this to detect people.
Move to that location.
That's not enemy. Oh, I see people landed here.
Feels dangerous here. Use
What
caution.
degree? Oh.
Yeah, someone landed here.
We're gonna need AP.
Yeah, you see?
Marked on your map.
Found over to that location.
Oh, someone ace is you throw
me.
it. Oh my god.
That area doesn't
No
look
good?
I mean,
There's people getting hit.
yeah. All right, let's go. Push them.
They're here somewhere. They're not moving. I don't hear them.
Get a rocket on.
No, they run. They might be in the open. Yeah, here, you see? You see?
Contact.
On the
Hostile
bridge.
troops sighted.
Don't do that, man. Don't do that. We're gonna stick on them. Flank on them.
Hmm?
We're gonna flank on them. Don't shoot! They will see you. I'm trying to flank on them. We don't have long range, so I wanna get closer to make sure we're gonna kill them. Oh, he's gone. I'm gonna kill Jet Li.
Probably jumped in the water or something.
Yeah, so the zone is moving. Okay, we're gonna try to go somewhere. Oh, there's airdrop.
Just marked the repair station.
Do you have custom weapons? I see one here.
Sniper!
Where? Over
Right
there?
here. Yeah.
Sniper contact!
Shoot.
No, I missed.
I hit the little, the purple
Get it.
shield.
Okay,
yeah.
we're gonna get age up. Come. Fast. Do you want to have a purple armor weapon? This one?
I have purple weapon.
I mean,
I
in
have.
case you want it. Okay.
Oh, mother. To the roof.
I'll pick a sniper. Nice.
Roof.
You got a target
Up there.
environment. Stay alert.
Diceribînim. Move.
Yeah?
Yeah. I saw their parachute. We are at the moment good. We can hold this house, big house, and snipe people.
Got a new mission for you. Details on your map.
Yeah, right there.
Contact! Hostile troops sighted!
Where?
No, you will no longer see them because they run away.
Oh, well, copper.
Oh! There's a vehicle.
Enemy vehicle sighted!
Use cover!
I missed. What the heck? There's someone here. Here, Jetty.
Hostile
Close.
Heads up, we got a danger point.
We're gonna
What
need
the heck?
AT.
Where did he go?
Behind the bridge?
Oh yeah, there's a little meat where
Combat
Right here.
vehicle trailer.
Enemy contact in my AO.
I'm gonna push this guy.
Check your mission.
Not me. No! Hiding. That car.
Last one standing. Make it count.
I suck, man.
There you go.
How come you kill people, my teammate, huh? Bitch. I need the SMG. This is not good. I'm not sure if you're gonna come back alone or I will have to res you.
I think you have to res me. Just
Don't you
waiting.
see? Did you see?
Redeployment.
I missed.
Awaiting redeployment, it says.
Yeah, but normally there's a free
Missions are done, but stay alert till we're out of here.
redeployment.
I don't know.
I suck, man, with this weapon. I don't know what's going on.
He is not.
I
kidding.
don't understand, man. I don't understand.
Oh, I see now. You can't see over it from your angle.
More people. More people coming.
A lot more.
Man, I have ping. 200. I have 200 ping. You see, if I pick this, for example, it's SMG. If I had my weapon like purple, blue or white, I would be able to upgrade. Okay, let's see.
I
I'm
see.
going to use this to somewhere.
Marked. Fucking send it.
He's ziplined you right.
Yeah, I know. I just want to throw because I have one more here.
Hmm.
Where is it?
Hostile shooter jumping into your area.
I lost it. What the?
Incoming strike in your vicinity. Move. Stay alert. You don't want to get trapped by the inferno. Enemy landing near you. Make 'em pay.
Man, why I couldn't find that thing?
Your side's been wiped out.
This game changed a lot, huh? There's no free deployment.
Maybe in the earlier circles.
But I saw people. Yeah, probably, yeah. Most probably. How do you find it? It's fun? I think it's fun. It's Battle Royale.
I smoke a cigarette real fast.
Okay.
I get the hang of it. It's more fun. I don't die all the
Exactly.
time.
Yeah. I don't know why my ping is too high. Ay. ¿Fue gol? The mission, yeah, that one. But if you look around, you will see people highlighted. Easy to detect people. But what the heck? Did you understand what I mean?
Yeah, I understand.
Did you understand? It worked. Use this stuff to upgrade your weapon, and you will select whatever you want. Select.
Here you come. Bitch.
You know, it worked. It worked. We were speaking. What the heck? Did you understand what I mean?
Yeah, I understand.
So, for example,
Another
I'm gonna
person.
pick this weapon, okay? I'm gonna pick this green weapon, okay? And I will see if this guy has the upgrade things. He doesn't have. So, if I have it, we'll see
Hello?
upgrade the weapon.
Immediately.
Yeah, yesterday I played like level 200s and 1000s in ranked, and they didn't do much better than me.
Window comes up. You've got
In which game?
shooters inbound, so consider everyone
Rank?
down there a threat. Stay alert for updates.
You mean Battlefield?
Yeah.
Oh, nice. You have played ranked. I mean, people are really
It's
so bad
different,
in
though.
this game.
It's like it's basically like squads of 4 battle royale, you know.
Yeah, exactly. Yeah, it's too hard, man. It's too hard.
To go to deploy.
I didn't like the
Boring.
experience. Yeah. The other day I tried, I swear I was getting blasted by 4 teams. By 4, like 20 people were focused on me. There's
I
nobody,
found it
nowhere to
boring.
go.
People just
Yeah,
camp. Yeah.
exactly. Right. Duo is better, and solo. I mean, even if they camp, you still have time to react, run, and turn and kill. But if they are more,
Mhm.
you probably die. There is no chance to survive. That's why I like duo or solo game mode. Let me know when you have weapons, and don't forget to pick this, okay?
There's a gun kit for you.
Gun kit,
Have
yeah,
weapons.
it's called gun kit. So, whenever you want to upgrade one weapon, open your inventory and press the upgrade button, it will upgrade. So every SMG box you open, it drops you SMG upgrade thing. Okay, this is
Mission's updated. Review them when you can.
I'm going to upgrade my... I'm going to play Vector this time. You see, it says upgrade. I select the
Yeah.
thing that I want. I say ammo capacity upgrade. It upgrades. And then one more time. What do I want? Hip fire? Yeah, I'm going to go with hip fire. And now my weapon is purple.
I have assault rifle kit.
Okay, then if you want to go on with assault rifle, pick assault rifle ammo weapon kit.
I don't have an assault rifle.
Let it come here.
Hmm?
Pick this. This
Hey,
is
There's a gadget over here.
it's a
Could be useful.
respawn beacon. I'm going to go with bazooka in case we need it.
Need immediate smoke cover.
I picked
Smoke on the way.
assault
Get
rifle gun kit for you to upgrade your weapon. Okay, take. Assault rifle, where is it? What the heck? Do you check this if you need this? I think one of them is assault rifle. See if you can upgrade your weapon. Why you have one weapon? You need to find one more. Come.
Oh, I need 5 of them to upgrade?
No,
Or 6?
I gave you multiple so that you can select. Depends what weapon you have.
I have this weapon.
Oh, it's DMR. It's DMR. No, not sniper, but DMR. Yeah, right? It's single
so?
shot, bro. It's single, no?
So I have to pick this one.
So now you can
Upgrade,
upgrade that. Yeah, you can upgrade that. I dropped you several SRG things.
Ah. There we go.
Exactly.
Much better.
Much better, right? So pick this
I get
one.
lots of upgrades.
There's an SMG thing, you
Hold on.
see?
Ah.
So now there's one more SMG kit here, you see? In this box.
Mhm.
So you pick this and see if it works for you.
No.
If you have assault rifle, then you pick assault rifle gun stuff to upgrade it. Yeah, this is how it works.
I can't use it anymore.
Yeah, because it's purple, now you don't have to pick anything else.
When you go.
I'm just checking for loot. I'm
Need
scanning
item, I
enemies.
lost that.
Roger. On the way.
Marksman control. Yo, hello, neighbor.
No one coming to us. Hiya!
Explosive ready!
Whoa. If you die, I'm not gonna res you gently for stupid things. If you die, I will come to finish you. I don't know how my weapon works. Is it automatic? No. This weapon sucks, man. It's not automatic. Okay, we're chilling, okay? We are just learning the game. We can do this.
They come up to us, we shoot those.
Exactly. We are friendly unless they come to die. Problem is that I don't have a sniper. Oh, I see
Contact! Enemy infantry engaging.
two of them. Let them come, let them come, let them come in the open, okay? Don't shoot Jaddi. Take cover. Okay, one guy is here
Got enemy inside.
and one's here.
Coming to me.
Yeah, yeah. I'm going to ping you. We shoot this guy.
Me.
Contact! Hostile troops sighted.
Got him. On me.
Got the intel. Use it.
Dead. Mission completed. Goodbye, boys. Sorry, we are learning the game, okay? We didn't intend to camp. Our intention
Mark,
wasn't to camp,
maybe?
we were just speaking, huh?
Oh, that's you.
You can use your airstrike thing without throwing.
I don't have. I have beacon. Remember?
Okay. But I think it doesn't replace your airstrike. It replaces your bazooka, if I'm not wrong.
No, but I have mines for bazooka. I didn't pick up a bazooka.
We can do this. Somebody. We get scanned. We get scanned. You hear the sound? Like trrrt, trrrt. It means that someone is scanning us. We go for airdrop. It's 200 far away. 200 meters. Let's go there. Oh, they
Be on that
here.
position.
My ping. I'm going to use my airdrop. Airstrike. Yeah, fighting. Get the high ground and
Let's rally on that
Get
RV
them.
point. Move!
Enemy landing near you. They can pay.
oh, they're close. One team is on the left side. We're gonna
Get to
push
that
this guys.
RV
Come,
point. Move!
left side. That's the fighting.
Got a new mission ready.
Who killed? Oh, you.
Me?
I thought someone stole it. I don't like this weapon, man. Go for others. They were fighting. I don't like this weapon. I swear.
Got me?
Oh
On
no.
me.
Get over to that one
Got
point.
a new mission incoming. Check your briefing.
Come to me, kid. I lay mines.
Fuck this, man. No, that mine doesn't work against the man. Only works
Yeah, it does.
against tanks. Doesn't work, sadly. If they shoot you,
They
you'll
go
die.
over it. Yeah, if I shoot it and they on it, they die too.
Nah, it will not work. Oh, he died.
No more duos.
Yeah, I got him.
Useful.
Really?
No. What are you shooting?
I'm just testing something. I'm going to sniper. I'll go sniper and SMG. So pick this jetty and let me know if it's gonna replace your Yeah, you have airstrike, asshole.
There's a
It's here.
gadget at this location.
No,
Yeah, but
that's not
A-
airstrike. That's
it's
the
airstrike.
redeploy.
No,
That's not the one I had before.
Your location.
it was golden.
I had a redeploy.
Oh, he's coming, come on, careful.
Drag out!
He left. Left. He.
Check your missions.
Almost broke him.
Drag out!
You're going in circles, bro.
He, on me.
Reposition! Move now!
Heads up. New mission incoming. Check your briefing.
Gotcha. Tank. Yeah, bazooka.
Nope.
Run. Don't stop.
Mark! Fucking send it!
Copy. Stand by.
Ah, on me. There's another
No,
guy.
I told you, don't stay there. Oh my god, man. I should have to cover. Yeah, whenever I see a tank, just run gently.
I had a thingy grenade launcher.
Yes, but it won't kill him. Unless you have covers and you can shoot multiple times. Nah, all good. We are trying to learn the game. I think it's fun. Easier, man, in American servers. I swear. Damn. Easier. Jet Li, what do you think?
They suck.
I think I mean I died because it was my mistake. If I took the corner and take cover, I wouldn't die. It was my mistake.
I was jumping around with a grenade launcher trying to shoot the tank.
No, I told you to get away. I said run, Jet Li, run.
So basically, if we have a medic and we stay alive, then we can revive each other, yeah?
If we are medics, we can revive each other faster. Like boom, 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 boom,
All point.
very fast.
Smoke everyone down there.
You can go two
go medic.
medics. You can go two medics and
Yeah.
revive each other. Yeah.
How do I change?
No, not now. It's in the beginning of the match. We're gonna go to the same spot, okay? Somewhere here.
Let's rally on that RV point! Move!
This area looks bad to me.
Take off and deploy!
Uh-oh. Ow.
Jetty, come here. Man, this weapon doesn't... Never mind. It's not that one. I really like this weapon.
Extra PDW here.
All right. This just got posted. Have a look and knock out what you can.
Careful, this is a hot zone. There might be people around.
That's a major score. Way to go.
Don't forget to charge your body shield. What the heck? You were behind thing?
Mm-hmm.
I didn't see you there. Okay, we loot and then you see these things on the high ground?
Enemy
The
UAV in
flying
orbit.
things. They are UAVs. You can destroy them if you shoot. And if you are an engineer, Jetly, you can open these boxes,
Container spotted.
containers.
Good work. Keep digging out there and secure everything you can find.
SMG. 31 bullet. High fire mobility. Fire.
Hey, I found armor finally.
Oh, it didn't work. Find the armor is that hard, actually. You find in every boxes almost.
Check your missions.
Overwatch requested.
I have sniper.
I just scanned the people.
Yeah, you got it. On the way.
I see. Yeah, right here.
Contact. Enemy infantry engaging.
Oh, there are several teams Jetly around us. Several teams. One is here.
Looks suspicious. Watch yourself.
I don't see the pings.
Open the map. You will see. Open the map. You will see.
I don't know how. I don't know how to open the map.
One
No
is
danger
here.
Use caution.
Oh, he behind Jetly here.
I don't like the look of this.
Oh, he's hurt. He fell down.
On me. To my right also. Oh, they're done. Can't be the building. To the right. Assholes.
They finish you?
Yeah.
Got a new mission for you. Details on your map.
I respawn
that,
in 20
pussy.
30 seconds.
Oh yeah, now you respawn.
I think.
Oh,
Got a new mission on the way. Review
he was coming like a rat. But no worries, we can go back. We can go back.
Second chance disabled right at the second.
Go into the same spot. We're gonna kill this guy. We're gonna kill this guy. Same spot. We died where? I think it was somewhere here, Jetly.
Bound over to that location.
Yeah, somewhere here. Yeah.
There's a vehicle over here.
Bar.
Não precisa.
Check your
We have vehicle. Do I get a vehicle?
No, we can't take that unless we have a key. Oh, we are getting sniped. Be careful.
Yeah, you're far away from me.
Man, he was flanking on us like crouched. I didn't hear him coming.
Yeah, but another guy was camping the building top, so.
Yeah, the same guy killed me too. Can you make it?
I'm here.
My position?
They're jumping into your area.
Oh, someone's coming. Hey, hi Ray.
You probably camping the same building.
Nah, we are far away from them. But yeah, there are more campers around us.
Got a new mission for you. Details on your map.
Let's get closer to that spot where we died, and we can get our stuff.
Yeah, those assholes they upgrade like 4 times. He just hides on the top of the building.
Are you also facing colors here? What is happening?
Hmm?
Is this house seems normal to me? To you?
Yeah?
I mean, it
Why?
appears green, white. I'm having issues.
No.
Yeah,
It's white and
my
gray.
game is broken, I guess. Oh no. Yeah,
Stay put if you don't
game
mind
is
toxic fallout.
bugged out.
Otherwise, get a move on.
Oh, I think my game is gonna crash, man.
Mine's
I don't know
green
what's
now
going on.
too.
Oh, so it's the game, right? It's the game itself. Yeah,
It's
we
like
died right here.
magnetic black.
Yeah. It's like green or something. Come. Our stuff is here. Oh, I
Oh my
don't see
God.
anything. I don't see anything.
I can't see.
I can't see either. I can't see.
It's bright blue.
What's
How the
going
hell
on,
are we
man?
gonna see?
Not even the game wants us to win. Ray, broke. How's it going? He's camping in the house, gently. In the house.
Yeah, but it's like bright blue. You see?
Yeah,
My
yeah.
screen?
I mean, I
can't
see it green.
shit. I see bright blue. I can't see nothing.
On the bridge, on the yeah, it's right here.
Can't see.
I think it happens to them as well. I don't think it's only happening to us. They also see the same thing. Go to res him, go res him. You can res me
How? Where?
right here. Right here.
What's the
I can't-
degrees?
It's like a
On my screen.
parachute.
Huh?
Parachute. Icon. Okay, I'm
No,
gonna
the
indicate you.
degrees.
I'm going to.
It's like blue. I can't see shit.
Yeah, happened to me as well, man. I don't know why it happened.
Your side's been wiped out, but don't get hung up on it.
No problem, ZINDÍ. We had problems, technical problems. I mean, it's so weird. Why did it happen to us?
Because they redeploy in the new mode.
It was weird. It happened to me first and then to you.
There's always gonna be some kind of bug when new mode comes out. Alright, support.
No. Okay, let's go support. How about you, Ray? Como você?
I don't think the character really matters upon the weapons in this game mode. It matters what you find.
Oh, the game started already? So I think this game is playable, gently. We just have to be careful against campers and shoot those who push us, and then we can win.
You on the ground as info comes in.
And stay away from the blue and yellow and green lights.
And so the thing is, we land with our specific abilities. Okay, so we are medic. Okay, we drop down to the ground with fast revive stuff, but we can't drop them accidentally. So don't pick other stuff. Just leave the fast revive thing. Okay, I'll explain you.
Get over to that waypoint.
We are medic, okay? By default, we have fast revive thing. I guess. Oh, I died. There's people. I didn't know that. That doesn't count.
Shit.
That doesn't count. This doesn't count.
pistol
I didn't
sucks.
see. I didn't see them coming. I just heard them when they landed.
All right, square yourself away.
Why does it say second chance disabled and we're jumping again?
Because we have
Doesn't make
chance.
sense. We said disabled though.
No.
I don't know. It's bugged. Where are you?
Heads up. Mission updates just came in.
Ooh, there are so many boxes.
I don't know where you are.
Oh, where are you going?
I don't know where you are. Does it show you? Oh, there you are.
I mean, you left me and then get away.
It didn't say your name ever.
I don't get it.
The
How do I
helicopter
revive
coming.
you? So, you see my keyboard, if I press on number 3, I will have the fast revive thing, okay? You should have the same.
Okay.
So I think if I pick something, like... Oh no,
Mission available.
come. Do you have the defibrillator? Do you have it?
Get it marked.
Enemy.
Am I right too?
He's very low. Rest. Fast think. Gently. No, we die. Where you going, man? You gotta rest. That's why you were medic. Now we're dead.
I got
You
one
should
guy.
have rest you should have rest me fast. You were next to me. You
thought
picked
killed the
medic.
kid.
You picked medic to rest fast and you're just ignoring me.
Step it up.
I thought you killed the kid.
No, man. Never. That doesn't
I
matter.
killed one.
That guy was one shot. I mean, he left. I left him one shot. He killed me, and I thought you're gonna turn and res me so we can fight together, but you decide to pushing the guy who was 1 HP already.
No, I shot the other kid.
It was the guy who I was fighting. Yeah, he was 1 HP.
No.
He was. I'm sure.
Yeah, but I wasn't shooting him.
Yeah, but I shoot him. He knocked me while you were waiting, and waiting him to heal, and then.
I went around to the right and then forward.
Yeah,
And I
I
was
know what you did.
behind
I know what you did. Before you run, I was next to you. Gonna kill you gently. Don't forget, always, if it's safe, of course, always rest first. You don't have to rush. Darun, 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 darun.
If I'm a medic, I only pick up LMGs, huh? Or
Yeah,
support.
LMGs has less recoil, I guess, with medics.
Hmm.
Bam. This time is going to be different.
Easy approaching. Those are hostiles jumping in, so find them and smoke check
You can practice to press the button which brings you defibrillator to make sure whenever when I'm down, just press and keep fighting like a lifeline. You rest and fight. Let's go to the same spot.
Clear to jump. Discretion.
Let's be careful this time.
Many people.
Really?
Think
Off the
so.
balcony.
Not me.
Stay with me!
This is how you rush gently. Look at the high ground. Come. Don't stay.
I'm laying down.
Come, I have only one. Take it.
Extra armor at this location.
They have all the good weapons.
Missions just got posted. Have a look and knock out what you can.
Had one.
Where? Can't see. Go down. I couldn't see.
No, don't. This is a trap.
Gotta shoot him. He's running.
I thought he jumped the C5.
What do you mean?
I heard the C4 sound, you know? I thought
Probably
it was gonna
did.
explode. But he didn't
My
explode?
shit now.
Idiot. Oh, I'm assault rifle, man. What
Uh-oh.
did he do?
Sniper rifle here.
I meant to ping.
Okay, I don't have armor. Do you have armor?
Mission for you.
Yeah.
Details on your map.
Armor plate drop. Right?
This
Can you
is
get
not armor
support over
shot.
here?
It's like a support care
Roger.
package.
On the way.
No problem.
Heads up. New mission incoming. Check your briefing.
Like
Yeah,
you
can you
basically
use it?
call
Marking
this,
location for support.
and so it brings us ammo,
Roger
armor,
that.
etc.
Here it comes.
Ooh, shotgun. How come I can't pick up the
Careful.
shotgun?
Marking gear container.
No, by default it takes everything like the bar zone. Oh, people coming from this side.
Dangerous area spotted. Watch yourself.
Yeah, coming from this side. Urgently.
Get to that RV point. Move.
Oh, they came from both sides. Run. Deadly. Run away.
Yeah,
He's
run.
right here. He's right here. Yeah, they are in both sides. My bad. Nice. Take cover.
No.
Nice try, man. It was my bad.
Okay.
I shouldn't have pushed like that. Yeah, you gotta be careful. We're gonna go back to the same guys and we kill them, okay?
Stand by to jump off. You're headed back in.
Hopefully we're gonna be close by. No, we're far away. Let's go here. Come. That's a good spot.
Get over to that waypoint.
Oh shit.
Oh, I just landed on a kid. Mother
Oh,
pistol. And another guy landed on him.
You're the last one
but
standing.
the problem is that there's no loot left.
Mhm.
Let me see if I can kill them while they're fighting.
Check your missions.
Shh. Win the weapon, man. This weapon sucks.
The red weapon was good.
Bang. Dun, 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 dun. Oh, weapon.
Heads up. Enemy dropping into your area.
Okay, you keep fighting. You see this thing, Jati? You see this thing? This deploy tower.
Like Fortnite.
Got new mission details incoming. Stand by and be ready.
Yeah, like
What do you
Apex.
No, the Fortnite, the truck deploy.
Yeah, it's spawn beacon by simply
Check your mission.
same as Apex, Fortnite. Problem is that I don't have more
Give
armor.
me! Hurry! Stop
Look,
looting!
look what I do.
Me.
Look, look, look.
Need immediate smoke cover.
Huh?
Smoke,
Hold tight for reinforcing.
Huh?
smoke.
Yeah, but you didn't bring me back.
I bring it already. So you bring.
No.
Press the button, and then wait.
You got new mission details incoming. Stand by
This
and be ready.
spawn beacon thing, mother. Asshole.
I'm not
This thing.
alive.
You press the button and wait.
You take
Now
too
you're
long.
alive.
Hurry.
Stay sharp.
Actually, it was fast.
Where are you?
New mission available.
Don't be scared, I'm here.
I think I found you.
Yeah, right here.
The heat is coming in fast. Watch your sector.
Find you a weapon. Shotgun here.
Shotgun marked if you need one.
The weapons are also bad. Good. Come, take this one.
Extra rifle marked.
Deadly, look. Since you are medic, you will have to have smoke. And smoke and rest. Smoke and rest. I will also do this, okay? I have defibrillator as well, okay? So, pick the smoke. How do you smoke? How do you smoke?
I don't know.
Why do you play this game, man? Why? How do you
It doesn't
fast?
let me
How
smoke.
do you fast revive?
Oh, RB.
Okay, this is smoke. You smoke and rest, okay, like this. So pick this thing in your hand. Take the defibrillator in your hand. How do you take it? Defibrillator, not smoke.
I don't have defibrillator.
You have your
Be
medic.
quiet.
By default, you have it.
I'm over here. Take what you can.
Okay, take this. Take this. Take it.
Gadget marked.
Oh, you don't have. Okay,
Now I have.
you're right. You are
Yeah.
right. Okay, which button is that? So you smoke with this, okay?
Marking
Smoke
this in case anyone needs
and
it.
fast revive.
I can't hold both.
Yeah, I know. Smoke and then click on the button. Res me.
I don't have the defibrillator anymore.
What the fuck? This game is getting interesting. So it is not. So you okay? Come.
Custom weapon
So yeah,
marked.
it is limited.
Got a new
If you
mission
use
for
it
you.
once,
Details on
I
your
don't
map.
understand. You should have it, man. Or maybe it has
No.
cooldown. Maybe it has cooldown. No,
No,
you
I don't
have
see
you
it on my
have to
thing
use
at
it.
all.
Got a free
What the
rifle over
fuck?
here.
What's happening?
Either or, I think.
Let's get the care package. I'm going for a LMG.
I have a bazooka though. No defibrillator.
Come. Here. Because you picked something else, idiot.
No,
If you
no,
pick-
no, it didn't show that before. It
Okay,
didn't
now you
show it
have. Okay,
before.
now you have.
Now I
Okay,
have. Yeah,
take the
yeah,
smoke.
yeah.
Take the smoke.
This is
smoke,
up for
smoke,
grabs.
smoke. Don't pick other things, gently. If you place smoke with grenade, you will lose smoke. If you get bazooka, you will lose your defibrillator. So don't use. You
I
know,
think it's because I used it. I tried to use it. And
you didn't use it. I think,
I hit the R button.
but you
It
actually
disappeared earlier.
maybe you
Before I
picked
picked up the
something.
bazooka.
I
No, I
think you
didn't pick up
picked
the
it.
bazooka before.
Maybe it's something bugged out. Doesn't always work.
Yeah, now I can do it.
I just want to make sure you know which button corresponds to smoke and which button corresponds to smoke and defibrillator. Okay, we just sit down. Oh my god, someone is sending us.
I jumped
I'm
down.
a sniper. I don't know who did that.
I broke it.
Did you smoke it?
No. I'm not up there anymore.
They're trying to push us after smoke.
New mission is up. It's marked on your map.
I don't know how to get back up there.
Ordnance inbound. Get clear.
Oh shit. Through.
People here.
Got a dangerous location. RV on that position. Danger point,
200.
look out.
200 meters away.
I don't see them.
Reposition, move now.
Yeah, I
Yeah,
don't see
far.
them yet.
They're far, they're far. And I don't see them.
Check your mission.
Contact, hostile troops sighted. Contact, enemy infantry.
Oh, he died.
Died.
Heads up. Check your map for new mission details.
I'm very confused. Where did he go? More people coming?
Danger zone, watch yourself.
I mean, mother.
Where?
Below. On my level. East. Hold on. On me.
It's just you now. Make every shot count.
Oh, they were two, man. Oh. I knew he was alive, man.
You're out. Better luck next time.
I knew he was alive.
You say too late for me. You said people I'm already dead. It's okay. You said
Just-
people and I'm dead. He was already shooting me.
No, I didn't say people on me.
Sounded like you said people.
Hmm. Ah, no, okay. I was checking with sniper, other people coming from the zone. And then you said people on me, and I tried to jump down, but the other guy shot me at the same time. Right?
Oh no, I thought you said people and he was already shooting at me. Ah.
I didn't even know there were people in your building.
Hi, BRB.
Unlucky, dude. Unlucky. I know what you mean. Takes too long to fill the lobby. Why am I playing in your lobby, man? It's really confusing me. Why the heck I'm playing in your lobby? If you join me... Huh? This is so weird.
Ah,
I mean...
it's weird.
Yeah, in Overwatch, whenever you join my lobby, I was playing in your server. And the same thing happens here as well. You join my lobby and my ping reaches to 120, 50. You know what I mean?
I don't know. Maybe just use the busiest server. That could be it.
Approaching the drop zone. Hostiles are swarming the area, so expect heavy resistance. I'll update you on the ground as info comes in. Good hunting.
Get the jump. I'm the jump top.
Alright.
Yeah, I'm jump master.
Post up.
We're going to land here, okay?
Make your way to that
corner.
point.
Oh my god, no,
Left
you
hand
don't go there.
waypoint. Move there now.
Holy shit. No.
Go solo!
I'm already there.
Come. We're gonna go here.
Rally on that location.
Come.
People here. Maybe. Nope. Yep, on me.
Good grab on that intel case.
Right here.
Get over to that waypoint!
Where?
I thought I saw someone over here.
On that intel.
Not sure.
For more.
Nah, man.
No?
Come. Get your loot fast.
I'm looting.
Okay, you have loot there, okay.
Missions just got posted. Have a look and knock out what you can.
Who's got rocket?
I'm going to start the mission.
I need all the intel you can get on the hostiles. faster they'll calibrate.
Squad revive healing. Okay. Go pick up.
Follow the location.
Okay, I have whatever cover. That we have to go for the mission. Oh,
Yeah,
you're going.
picking up the
yeah.
stuff.
Yeah.
Enemy is gunning for you. Watch
So
yourself.
if you move fast, it will not. It will not charge. Just sit down and we will. Go on.
Up top, maybe.
Don't move. Don't move. Don't move. I'm coming. If you move, it will not charge gently. Don't move. Just lay down. Let me close the door for you. You know, I'm Rampart.
Mission complete. Keep punching hard out there.
Oh, here!
Lost the track. Back to work.
Where?
I killed him. Come get the mission. Come.
Another one coming. That's you.
Ooh, look at the weapons.
Ooh.
Ooh.
No.
Man, I don't like the sniper.
You're good with sniper. Alright, how we do mission?
You open the map
Select
and press M.
mission.
Yeah. Start the mission then.
Alright. You got a mil-spec laptop
Extraction.
nearby. Secure it, start the download,
Time to
and
go.
pull the drive.
You like this idea, huh?
Mm-hmm.
You look like a loba.
Mm-hmm.
Here we go. Download started. Now watch your six until the drive's ready.
Here's some spare ammo for you.
Then we'll take this to a drone. Okay, let's go.
Data drive to the exfil point. I got a drone inbound.
How'd you go? Zip.
Zip. I see nobody at the moment.
We just go back and forth and we win. I'm coming.
Secured.
Ah! I'm laying down. No, he's in my room, really?
He was above us. Okay, we go for them, okay? We go for kill them. Just don't go far. It's far away. You see the yellow thing?
Yeah.
We're gonna fly
Yellow
there.
star, yeah.
We're gonna kill these motherfuckers. Nobody can steal our loot.
Oh, I got shot in the air, motherfucker!
Oh my god. Holy shit. I'm sorry, Jetly. I'm gonna kill these motherfuckers. I don't care you.
Now, make every shot count.
Holy shit.
The heat is coming in fast. Watch your sector.
Hopefully they have a respawn beacon on them.
I don't care. I'm gonna kill these guys. Whatever happens. What's happening? Ooh,
They must have died.
I'm lagging, man. Gently. You see, I'm going backward. Holy
Little
shit.
bit.
Okay, I'm not gonna be in here.
Your mission.
You going to bring me?